Just shocking allegations coming out in this case right now. So if you're representing the defendant, what are you thinking about tonight?
Well, you're thinking about the facts and circumstances. Obviously, with the special circumstances, the possibility that the death penalty could be involved has got to be seriously on the mind of whoever's going to be representing her. You're going to take a look at the different factors and circumstances of how this occurs and what exactly happens in this situation. But right now, you're trying to gather information.
Heard that there is a possibility that we shouldn't be surprised if there is a move to change the court, the trial, and move it out of the county. Is that something that the defense should be pushing for?
Absolutely. Right now, the media coverage that's been happening in Tracy has saturated that community. In order for her to have a fair trial, she has to have a fair community in order to choose jurors from. So I would suspect the defense is definitely working on a change of venue motion right now.
Ken Rosenfeld, do you agree?
I definitely agree. I mean, statistics show that there's over 650 men on death row. There's 15 women on death row. It's much harder to get a conviction for death with a woman, without question. Less than 1.5% of all death row inmates are women, so that's going to be a factor to weigh heavily. Now, they may charge it in the hopes of getting a plea to maybe a life without the possibility of parole. But in order to get the death penalty, it's extremely unusual. California hasn't executed a woman in over 40 years. So it's somewhat academic, because even if she got it, the chances of her actually going through and getting death as a sentence, infinitesimal.
Yeah.